Associative property. On grouping the numbers in different order, if the answer remains unchanged, then an operation is called associative. Let us take three whole numbers, 4, 7 and 3. Adding them, we have 14. On rearranging the whole numbers 4, 7 and 3 in different order, the result is same, that is 14. This implies that whole numbers are associative under addition. Now taking integers, we see the same condition, that is, the result is same in both the cases. So, this implies that integers are also associative under addition. Let us check associative property under multiplication of whole numbers and integers. We see that on changing the order, there is no change in the result. This implies that whole numbers and integers are associative under multiplication. In case of subtraction, we see that on changing the order, the result also changes. This implies that whole numbers and integers are not associative under subtraction. Here, we can see that like under subtraction, under division too, they are not associative. Now, let us check the associative property for rational numbers. Consider three rational numbers: 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, and 2 by 3. On adding the last two terms and then adding it to the first one gives 2 by 3. On adding the first two terms first and then adding to the last one also gives 2 by 3. Here, changing the order of numbers did not change the result. This implies that for any three rational numbers, A, B and C, changing the combination of adding them does not affect the result. Also, rational numbers are associative under addition. Taking the same three numbers, we subtract the third number from the second number. And when we subtract second term from the first number and then subtract the third number from the results are not the same. This shows that rational numbers are not associative under subtraction. Let us see what happens under multiplication. On first multiplying the last two numbers and then multiplying it with the first one gives minus 3 by 2. And on first multiplying the first two numbers and then multiplying it with the last one also gives minus 3 by 2. In both cases, the results are same, that is, minus 3 by 2. This clearly shows that for any three rational numbers A, B and C, changing the combination in which they are multiplied does not affect the result. Therefore, rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Whole numbers and integers are not associative under division. What about rational numbers? Here too, we observe that on interchanging the numbers, the results are not the same. This implies that rational numbers are not associative